everyone, and welcome to today's nugget, At the Sound of the Trumpet. Many people who accept the theory of the natural immortality of the soul believe that the righteous dead are in heaven somewhere. And so they suggest that at his second coming, Christ will bring with him from heaven the souls of these righteous dead. But the Bible teaches something completely different. The Bible teaches that when we die, we cease to exist. We do not go to heaven. We do not go to hell. We simply sleep, as it were, awaiting the final resurrection. In other words, biblically, the righteous dead are not in heaven. They are asleep in their graves, waiting for the second coming, where Jesus will raise them back to life again. We read in 1 Thessalonians 4, verse 16 and 17, "For the Lord himself shall descend from heaven with a shout, and with the voice of the archangel, and with the trump of God. And the dead in Christ shall rise first. Then we which are alive and remain shall be caught up together with them in the clouds to meet the Lord in the air. And so shall we ever be with the Lord. At the sound of the trumpet, those who died in Christ will be raised to life. Then those who are alive at that time will be caught up together with them to meet Jesus in the air." Paul wrote these words to the church in Thessalonica because they had lost loved ones. And he reminded them that they would see their loved ones again at the final resurrection. And then he urged them to comfort one another with these words. The hope in the final resurrection brought comfort to the grieving Thessalonians. It can and should comfort us too. When the trumpet sounds, we will see our loved ones who died in Jesus again. Thank you for joining us today. We'll see you tomorrow.